Hi, my name is Jack Kandasamy. I'm a software developer. I'm a co-founder of Microknot. We are a software development agency based in the hills. Most of the medium-sized businesses, when they tend to grow, they have this business streamlining problem, which is like the operational process. So they struggle with. The way to address is they hire more admin people, which impacts the cost and impacts the bottom line of the profit of the business. So where we help is basically streamlining the business processes using technology. So automating this, so reducing the human entries. So just like you're not duplicating the same job that you did. So connecting the systems together, building some custom softwares to streamline the business, and which becomes an IP for the business and helps the business to grow. So medium-sized businesses, medium to large-sized businesses, that's where like we add a lot of value to them. Manufacturing industries, constructions, healthcare, aged care. So these are the few industries that we work with, and accounting firms and law firms. So these are all the main industries that we work with, and where we add a lot of value for the business and they get a good return on investment. If you're looking for a software provider, the first thing you need to ask is, have they worked with similar size of the business like US? Like if you're a medium business or a large business, have they done something similar to that? It don't need to be in the same industry, it can be a different industry, but like they have done something like that. So you need to look for their experience. And then the second thing is their skill sets, technical skill sets, because everybody can develop software. So a student from out of the university can develop a software versus 20 years in the industry as well. So I used to work in the corporate. So the reason I started this business is to help medium to large businesses where they can't have their own IT team. So we go as an IT team to help them to grow bigger. So we have done that for many of our clients. I see them starting in 20 million, 30 million revenue, and like they grow to 100 million very quickly because they don't need to worry about the operations, and then there is no bottleneck in terms of how the business can grow. They're not depending on too many people. They're depending on the software, and it's scalable. So when you can deliver 100 orders instead of 10 orders with the same cost, why not? So you grow. There is a customer in the agri industry that we work with. So they had like multiple systems running, and then when the CEO goes, and it's a group company, they acquire a lot of business as they're growing, and each business is running in different systems. And CFOs and CEOs, when they have a board meeting, they don't know the exact number of like what's the revenue, how the profit and loss sheet looks. It was hard for them to figure that out. So we integrated the data from all these different systems and produced an eagle eye view of the data. So that gives them an idea of what's happening on a weekly basis. So they're not leaving things till late, like why that quarter didn't do well. They can look at, okay, we only have 2 more months. Now we need to get on to the salespeople to make them to chase the target and get the job done. So that gives them a good visibility of what's going on behind the business. My customers would choose me because of our experience, like the way that we worked with many different industries and medium to large businesses. We delivered a lot of value to the businesses, and our technology stack. So we stick to Microsoft technologies, which been around, like used by banking and financial entities for a long time. So when we develop a software, maybe it's a small or big, we use the right technology, and it is very scalable. When your business grows, we can easily scale it up. So that's the main advantage of choosing us rather than somebody from out of the uni. Yeah. What I enjoy most of being Sydney Hills Chamber is the connection. So fellow business owners, you can talk to people, like-minded people. You talk about your employment issues, all these new laws coming in that you talk about it. Your accountant, lawyers, and your business coach, all these people get to learn from all the similar business owners is being really helpful. Yeah.